Now children, let's learn about the location of India. India lies in the northern hemisphere and it divides or it gets divided by the Tropic of Cancer into two equal parts, which means the Tropic of Cancer is dividing the Indian country into two equal parts. The mainland extends into the latitude and the longitudes that we will be talking about are the latitude is 88 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, whereas the longitude is 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. This is the exact location of India. This is what we talk about India as having a very strategic position in the world. Then when we have to talk about the size of India, you already know that it is the 7th largest country in the world and it has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. That means a huge large country. The country is bounded by the Young-Fold mountains on the northwestern side. When we talk about India in the world, as to what is it, what is the position of India and in the world, what kind of location does it have, then we say that India occupies a central locational place in the world and it has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean and it has contacts with the neighboring and far off countries since ancient times by both land and maritime routes. Of course, the land contacts have been older than the maritime contacts. And when there are contacts with different countries of the world, naturally the culture, the knowledge gets intermingled with each other. And here we see that India's Upanishads, Ramayans, Panchatantra, Indian numerals and the decimal system reached far and wide in the world. But it never happens that you just keep on giving and you receive nothing. So as far as India is concerned, what did it observe or what did it take from the outside world? First of all, the Greek sculpture that we took from outside, especially when it got mingled with the already existing sculpture that we had in India, that was the Gandhara school of art. When we talk of the domes and the minarets, those two are not of Indian origin, we took it from other countries. So whether it was building, sculpture, of course we have taken a lot from the other countries of the world. But we must remember that Indian numeral and the decimal system are the best that any country could have given to the world.